think in many ways it's made me a little bit of a better person, or at least you understand what is a bad person, what it takes to be a better person,
Right.
you know, to understand how, if it's possible, to try and put the needs of others in front of your own, you know, not to be so selfish, to try and be a little bit more compassionate, to have that understanding. And sometimes you have to take a leap of faith, you know, because we never saw Daw Suu and Michael Aris together, right? And the people who have seen them together, some close friends, we're very fortunate to have met, who were great friends of Michael, who were still very emotional when they talked about Michael. The way they say as a couple, they were always very loving. You know, like some people would ask us, are you sure they can be so loving all the time? And then I said, you know, think about it. Every time they see each other, that could be the last time. And if you keep that in mind, if you go and see your best friend or your family member, and you know, this might be the last time I'm permitted to come and see you, won't you try to make that time as good as possible, rather than pick on petty little, you know, things that we haven't finished arguing about? So in that sense, maybe in a way, the army made them stronger as a family, because they had very limited time together and they believed in the cause. She is a mother, you know, she was a very devoted wife with an incredible husband, that she is a human being with flesh and blood, and she does feel pain, even though she does not allow herself to succumb to melodramatics, you know, because it is hard, but she would not permit that to get in the way of always highlighting how her people were suffering more. And in a sense, if you look at it, she is right, you know, because yes, she has been separated from her family. Yes, she is in house arrest, but there are those in Insen prison, in jail, you know, for much longer periods of time, in much, much worse condition. So it takes someone who is very brave, who is very compassionate, to be able to have that kind of understanding. There is no self-pity. There is none of that, you know, wishy-washy. It's very clear. This is to be able to make our country, our people have a better life, be a better place. These are the things she had to do, and she believed that. I've been waiting so long to bring the lady to my own home country. I think all of you know that I'm a very proud Malaysian. And I think I have a lot to be proud of. You know, our country, our people, our leaders, who help us to make this place, you know, what it is. We enjoy a great sense of democracy, you know, of freedom, of culture, of an interracial society that lives like this. I mean, when you look around at what's happening around the world, we have much to be grateful for here.